in your teacher account, and then you should see one grid from last year. So then, yeah, you're going to click on that Add New Grid, and then you're going to name it. So, for example, and I'm just going to make a new one so that way she can see and I can erase it, which is fine. You can name it like LM, 1920 or whatever you want to. Oliver, come here. Hey, Oliver. Come here, boy. I'm going to name it Rush. Yeah, that's fine. And then, okay, a minute. Okay, so I did, you can see it says select a grid type, school email, student ID, or public and PLCs. I'm going to do school email. And then there's also a code that I think it's kind of like, Classroom, where if they have the code, they can also join our grid. But if they use the school email, I'm pretty sure mine just, like, when I have the link in Google Classroom, they click on the link and it directly takes them to the login page, and it gives them it just says sign in with Google. So I'm going to do that. Add yours if it's different from yours. Okay, did you click next? Oliver. No, don't worry about that. It'll show up too, like it does for your classroom. Oliver, step over the cord. My dog just got. Oliver, stop it. Oh, fart. Wait a minute. I have to. Okay, he got it. Okay. Okay. So then, if you say next, and then it should already have at swcsd.us. Okay. So then go next. Okay, your FlipGrid is ready. There should be the classroom. Okay, share to Google Classroom. Do you see the Google Classroom icon? Okay, so click on that. And then I'll take you out of FlipGrid, and I'll go to share to my classroom, and you're going to share it to whatever class you want. Uh-huh. Right. And then it says choose action. It just wants to know like how you want to present it. Do you want to make it as an assignment, as a question, or an announcement, or a material? So you might want to say like make an announcement. Nope. And then it says go. And then your link should be there. Now I'm going to test this link to see what happens, because FlipGrid. Okay, yep. And then if you test the link, it'll take you to what it'll take your students to. And then they'll just log in with Google since they're already in Google. So you don't have to add any students or anything like that. Mm-hmm. Yep, it's already posted. You don't even have to post it because it automatically did it for you. Yep, it's already there. And if you want to test it, like I said, I mean, if you clicked on the link, it should have already taken you. And I'll send you this video as well so that you can see to make sure that it is right, because it went step by step through it. But so like when I send you like the video, I have 3 classrooms now in my grids, and then I'm gonna go into my classroom just to double check that it went there. Let's see. Perfect. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. I see. Did you say post? Okay. So yeah, if you go, let me see, what did I do? Oh, okay. So yeah, it says share. My screen says if I'm in the classroom tab that it opened up. Do you see that? Okay, perfect. Uh-huh. Go. Mm-hmm. And then yeah, so share with your class, you might just say what you want them to do as your direction. Post a hello video. And watch for questions to answer maybe. But this is my just trial, like to show you guys how to get through because I already have my FlipGrid set up. So then once you have your directions, let me know when you're done. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, what the site is. Yeah. Mm-hmm. One of my students have like already like done a read aloud on FlipGrid. She's so cute. It's really fun. So yeah, that's just like one of the things that you can have them do. Mm. Yeah, we will use FlipGrid. Mm-hmm. Just leave it. I think Poppy is good, yeah. Yeah, and the right hand corner it says post. Oh, it's posting. Yep, so then if you go back to your classroom and you update it, it should have it posted in there. Yep, and then you can click on it to test it, and it should say your class name, and then it has two options, log in with Google or log in with Microsoft. Yep, that link will take them straight to FlipGrid, the FlipGrid login. And then, yep, they'll just log in. So you'll want to tell your students to log in with Google because they're already logged into Google, so it'll automatically log them in. Kind of like with Typing Club. Okay. Probably not. Mm-hmm. Log in with Google, and then I'll ask which account. At least it does for mine. Mm-hmm. And it'll just have their account already. Yeah, their account should be the only one, unless maybe their siblings is up there, like by chance. And then there's a big green plus sign is how they record a new video. Okay, so if we go back to your teacher board, you can assign specific, so what you'll do, are you at your teacher board? Yes, it already has that because the program automatically like gives them like the first video prompt per se, like you could say. So if you go in there, and I now have 3, but you want to go into the classroom that you have, and then you're going to click on it again. 0. Let me go back. Let me see. Actions. Okay. So, okay, I see. Okay, so you have what does your page look like? So are you in LM 19 or 2019, 2020, or does your page have the 2 classes, like the 2 grids? Okay, so then there's, instead of adding a new grid, it says add new topic. Do you see that button? So that's kind of like your prompt. So like say hello on FlipGrid, that's one topic. If you want them to answer, or like if you want them to do a reading, then you're going to add new topic, topic title. You could just say read a book out loud for the class, or share your favorite book, or share your math thinking. So each time you want them to do kind of like a telling or explaining a new one, you're going to add a new topic. Sure, let me see. Let me go through and see if there's you can see after you do the title, you can set their time limit for sharing. There's a probably, or like if they're doing a read aloud, you'll probably want them to do more. My one that did the one on her own, she read like a pigeon book. And she's like, if this video gets cut off, look for a next video. And she has 2 videos up there to continue like the read aloud. Um, yeah. So, I mean, yeah. If it's a read aloud, then I would say 10 is fine. Well, you mean the hello? No, just leave the hello. That's automatically there. And then you can create another topic. So add a new topic, and that's where you can give another prompt or directive. Yep. No, I don't think so. Um, okay, okay.